Hello, friends. This is Dr. Pranav Shah from Ahmedabad, and I am here to share a few important tips for you regarding COVID 19. First thing, if you have tested positive, and that is by gene expert or by rapid test or by RT PCR, there is absolutely no need to reconfirm by doing a second test. There is no false positive. Once it is positive, you are positive. So don't waste the resources and time in repeating your test. Once you are tested positive, the most important thing that you have to do is try and minimize your family members getting infected. So isolate yourself and start basic symptomatic treatment as per your physician, the MD or a qualified MBBS doctor. They will be able to guide you for the basic line of treatment. Remember, 90% of people getting COVID positive will have a very mild and very simple kind of cough cold, and they don't require any high end or super specialist to treat them. Routine CT scans and COVID profile tests and D-dimer and all these are not required for every patient. It is required only in patients who have certain comorbidities, who are diabetic, hypertensive, heart disease, kidney disease. They are very elderly, like 65 years or above, or who have had fever for 5 or more days. Only these people require the high-end tests for COVID, and so try to avoid immediately going to a CT scan to see your CT score. It is required only if your doctor tells you to do it. Don't repeat CT scans. Some people have a CT score initially of 13 and they want to repeat every 2 or 3 days and see if the score is going down. Let us understand that these CT scores are not absolutely correlating with your clinical condition. It only shows how much of the lung is involved. And routine CT scan or repeat CT scan is absolutely not indicated. On the contrary, it is detrimental because each CT scan exposes your body to radiation. So please don't do repeat CT scans unless your doctor wants you to do it. All the people who are tested COVID positive in the family, they can stay together. Each person need not be isolated in a separate room. On the contrary, within 3 weeks, if any of these people have turned positive or turned negative, but within 3 weeks, if you have had a COVID infection, you can very safely stay with another person who is COVID positive. So no need of separate isolation of each and every family member. Also, there is no need to repeat a RT-PCR test to see if you have turned negative, because the dead viruses also can give a RT-PCR positive and it will unnecessarily upset you emotionally. A negative RT-PCR test does not help in any way for your COVID treatment. So try to avoid doing a repeat RT-PCR after 7 or 10 days to see if you have become negative. On the contrary, 7 to 10 days of isolation is all that is required. Within 10 days, most of the patients become non-infective and they can get back to community, of course, with the mask hygiene. So that brings me to the most important point, the mask hygiene. How do you wear the mask? The mask is to be worn in such a way that it covers your nose and your mouth both, and it has to be well-fitting. If you wear the mask in an improper way, then you are exposing yourself to COVID. At the end of the video, I will wear a mask and show you how to wear it. The last and most important thing that I can suggest to all of you is, whenever you get an opportunity, get yourself vaccinated. UK had a similar second wave, a very high incidence of cases, and they have been able to overcome that only and only by proper vaccination. There are no magic bullets, no magic remedies. Remdesivir, tocilizumab, all these medicines are going to help only 1 to 10% of the patients. But the 90% will be benefited only and only by a proper immunization. So support vaccination and get yourself vaccinated. And this is how you should wear the mask. The mask should cover your face and nose. After wearing mask, clean your hands with a sanitizer. When you want to remove the mask, again clean your hand with sanitizer. Thank you, friends. I hope this information was useful for you.